Some of the backdown are gone live. By the way, this time I'm using Zoom to have live. Yuki versus scammer. My God, I'll explain a little bit what happened. I'm doing, I'm doing a Japanese lesson with 20 pesos. That's so cheap, and students pay for it before applying the class with Gcash, and I found a weird receipt. Students have to send the proof so I can detect students pay or not. Someone send the not proof, just something viewing. I'll show you guys. Shh.
What is that?
Oh no, I should remove the background. Someone just sent this one, but people have to send receipt like this, Gcash receipt. But the person sent me different picture. And that means the person cheated on me. He didn't pay for the class, but he just got the secret URL for my Japanese class. And unfortunately, I figured out the person's real mail address and real name. He sent me a not real mail address. The email address is not real, but Google Drive for the picture indicated his real name and mail address, and I searched the history of the class. So he took my class before and he paid the first time. I finally got his phone number from Gcash, and he was using his face for his profile picture. I got his real name. He won't reply me on email, so I think calling him is good this time. I'm going to call him today. What do you think good way for revenging him? What should I do? What's the funniest to revenge the scammer? I will call the scammer. What will happen? By the way, what should I say to him? Maybe he might ignore me when I say something like, I will publish your face. I've got your face. If the scammer answers the call, just greet him. 도가야にももっとバッグ。おい、バンカカロン。Oh, what's this? Little difficult. Let me practice. 도가야にものdifficult. 도가야にも모토박. 오이. No sepas cosa toban. bonka가롬. 가롬. 도가야にも모토박. 오이. bonka가롬. Inaan scammer, kailan ako nimo honon na sa pagpangilan. Sorry. Disot mag-Bisaya, uy. Sorry. Salamat. I've got Bisaya. Hawag na ako mag-Bisaya.
Okay.
Yay! Sana all. Okay. I will make phone call.
One eternity later.
Or the voice answered. Ganuan. Diri answer siya pisting yawa animal siya. Scott Jesus. Tabang uy. Ganun diri mo answer siya. Why won't he answer my call? Pisting yawa. Tae siya. He cheated on me and he won't answer. Yawa kayo. Yawa sir. I'm so frustrated, Christina. Okay, if Motao siya sa akong Japanese live, I will say, this is over. Okay, salamat sa pagtao sa akong Facebook live. See you next time. Bye. So stubborn. Yawa sir.